how to fix Instagram story song not available. Firstly, if you get on a problem like that one, you need to get out from the application, and then simply you need to go on your Google Play Store, and then you need to type for Instagram, as you know. And you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram, because there are so many features which are new and which are gotten into the last version. As you can see, in this case I have the latest version of Instagram, including that right option which is open, because if I have an option which says update, that would mean that I don't have it the latest version, but in this case it's not. That is the first thing that you need to do. Then you need to get out from here, and you need to go on your settings on your phone, and then you need to scroll down and go for applications. On the search box, without wasting any time, you need to simply type for Instagram. Go on that application, and right from here, if you go on storage, you need to clear the cache, and right after you get into that fiction, you can simply uninstall the application and then reinstall it back. Or simply, if you have an iPhone, you're gonna be available to tap on offload application, which will get the main point and also will take up automatically the full side of that step. Also, what you can do to take off on that selection, you can switch your account to the professional session or professional account to take up and try to get to the main point.